Hello, hello, wake up and shine. Good habits, come on, it's time. Come with me, let's learn today. Healthy habits, come and play. This is how we brush our teeth. Up and down, round and round, underneath. Left side, right side, front and back. Keep it shiny on the right track. Brush, brush, morning and night. Clean white teeth, oh so bright. Smile so big, smile so true. Brushing teeth is good for you. This is how we wash our hands. Soap and water, watch it dance. Rub them, scrub them, front and back. Germs go away, that's a fact. Rinse them clean and dry them too. Clean hands help me, clean hands help you. Before we eat and after play, wash your hands every day. This is how we wash our fruit. Rinse it clean right down to the root. Apples, berries, oranges too. Washing fruit is good for you. Crunchy, yummy, clean and bright. Washing fruit, we do it right. Healthy snack from head to toe. That's the way good habits grow. This is how we share our toys. Sharing makes for happy joys. Give a block, give a ball. Sharing's fun for one and all. Take a turn and pass it on. Playing friends, we get along. Sharing toys with a friend nearby makes us smile, oh me, oh my. This is how we clean our toys. Put them back, don't make a noise. One by one into the bin. Tidy rooms, let's begin. Clean room, clean floor, tidy and neat. A happy home is such a treat. When we're done, we put away. That's the end of our fun play. Now it's time to brush again. Before we sleep right now, my friend. Pajamas on, all snug and tight. Ready now to say goodnight. Snuggle up with Bubbo tight. Close your eyes and say goodnight. Good habits made a happy day. Sweet dreams now, sleep this way. Brush your teeth and wash your hands. Wash your fruit and share, my friend. Clean your toys and go